Mame Mao Akwaba, Efa Umbra Ghana Sem TV GH so wofre me adwoa searching.
So nti we kwa we ba betoa so. Ye fo bi November, ye fo bi December, ye fo bi October, ye fo bi January. Oba adena oma ye fo mo de dada oma ye adwuma wa ban mu no. Oba honka se wa ban na aba so nti wo yom nyina edi no akofa wo de aba beti omka. Business ankofo no adane sebe asre form nam. I think that one of these days almost mo ye demonstration. Me try enya date no na media ma woni watifo. Na Gordon, the second issue I have me answer about this main subject matter. Ye nuanum NDC for. Na ye amamra constitution e kire say your political party.
Yes.
Na political party no enye ne niema sene fata nema edi ye constitution so pepepe. Okay, case be a friend the Republic versus Yebi and Avalifo. Okay. Yes, say police will be we are NDC for sika 10,000 Ghana cedis or so. No. Court neka say the first say a NDC interest among call mine into a mock mine who then penny for crable baby say a woodnam ena yen we are.
What's somebody?
I think say send NDC for nya omoka baumia eka ken eka your friend is saying Yira Brian eka Dr. Yose Duchum eka engineer semna say anomodi enso ba yesi eka.
Of course.
I think say we need a government that is focused to deliver for the country. The MPP as a party ne party a destructive party then. And as a opposition I pay abamu abaye pa abamu aba because ye gidi said the omo ye no omo ntiase no muntimi nyani yi and no nkyerɛ sɛ yɛda ɛbɔ mpaye enti we wouldn't allow or sit down say yenka omo party no ho asɛm for a national chairman to cause a distraction in the party to affect the government because chief of staff a person or president we shouldn't run away from that.
Yes.
Asiedu Nketia general enso nya obeko
Say jambo che wo kon
na candidate nankasa.
Can you imagine?
Good. That is where I'm driving to.
Thank you.
Candidate now within the call election. We win no. Told the country to thank the country. No kura no ye mampenini nim say you mane doso into onko ni boom boom boom. What I say okobi.
No ja ba me fie be ejua
no abefie. Now the oba to thank you to distract your party and your government. And your party na say anka be kofi Asiedu entry. Emfa me ho. But they be affect the government, no? Because there is a clear direction say a jubilee for Julius, J for J. Jubilee for Julius. What I say? Enti abema obia or tie Julius or Chinsu Beka say papa. We chief of staff eduma no odi aye dog ya check. Odi anen in am offices be a check. There be also tisi form. Ebasana they will be thinking about their own personal ambition, which is fine with them. I don't have a problem. But me busa say so omokoso ye not the government business na ekwa atwea where lies teacher for ye come ti omuya omutifi where lies their fate who should be able to call the education minister to order to ensure and call the finance minister to order na me bakra obi ka kire me say you are to force nya obe contest it. Now, if it festers like this, Inter make a choice. NDC ni a political party and can no kwan say.
Every time be was preached na what best one be.
MPP for ye can say ye person a turn in term na ye be forms si. Enti say o person will be a forms now your personal aspiration. Let the party open the forms. No be anfani human to na buy them course because NDC amu and insecurity ebe. Godon me jiri say we want be few of security. And you sika na ekom. And you can't go down. Critical. We must be speaking to this clearly. No, but so what Asiedu Nketia wants to do is alien to their party. He must be called to order. Julius Debran to TC from Abino and Ejrebuno. That's Julius Debran so your work. There be also a treating up. No, it's also got down for us here. And Julius Debran go down. It's a man Nazi beam. So I get so to be Nazi. Don't that's it. Oh, please, we shouldn't be doing that. Oh, a national chairman had a national chairman candidate. So are you saying only a national chairman who call election 2022 today winning our candidate?
Okay, I'm not going to say it's our certificate region. You
also started only there was the country Julius the whole region. And you see, if you do this, Julius Yenipa, I'm not, and when you say maybe a bad Julius Debra, maybe Bonechi will happen. Yes, due to the fiat no sign. But this time, me sick kind of no. Say NDC for some and I may Omedian in a minia or Massam de Kofia Sidwentry Meka. And until America was some neno. Say any concern Ghanaian, whether you are NDC, whether you are NPP, whether you are PPP, CPP, or Ghana, you should be concerned about this because it's going to distract the government and the money pan what channel. That is where the focus and the synergies should be there. You see, and you know the dangerous aspect of it. This is the president's home region. For Christ's sake. The president is even thinking to bring solutions and net Tamaleta Technical University. Look at what happened. And Kwalaso what to school fees in Motesuya demonstration. Police was a mebo. No, the police should be called to order. You're IGP, you know, where they are bru. Yes, bru. This is the time I saw my home so Nketia, we saw your action. Your men were on ground. What happened in Tamale today? It's appalling. I will show videos now. Oh, what are you telling me? Just let me buy no, and then the whole day me went dreamia my basa because of the current state. Maybe President for time. I remember say somewhere 2007, oh baby, and 2006 or started. I say one more. Or potentially military contest as flag bearers of the party, no. If you pick early, and when you see that expression, say it could be a picky early, or picky earlier, you get you out of his government. Are you suggesting say, Nketia no mark and they are picking too early? You see, the measure now the better so no critical. Okay, I always come here. Okay, Nketia, and I give one major blame of Nketia, which MPP lost to the presidential election committee. Okay. Yes. I mentioned, say, me Dr. Baumia, me Kennedy, me Brian, me engineer, Community Japan, me Dr. Asiedu, my coffee form was a man in a campaign. What to be that? I'm going to spend these millions into the we were not even concentrated over there. Obinya ko maybe a she's will be or support any of the candidate. Ninyuma or ye be an impossible yini yem say or ye the abwa asumedua. Everyone would think say we do ye Dr. Baumia Juma because Oko file. So it is a critical dent. And was during that heat of the campaign after last days, and an uncle for file. Yeah. Dr. Baumia di any pay by. Dr. Brian, example, the Nipa by. Kennedy, the Nipa by. Engineer, Nipa by. Yes. And that's a case of or no, dear Mebaso. Okay. The issue you've raised, you see, on Assembly can say we shouldn't apologize for his sector. No. He may be right, he may be wrong. Acquired to say Besepa, any Konya High. Godon, yet Tassini Banyansa for. The Inter makers say Tassini Banyans. I remember my mind by Yalma Bao and may hit. And it's a boat break. I can't be there. I will have to swap back. I will never to say. Who called you more? Aha, when I'm Krumka. Traffic. Let me tell Barcelona and could tell Nimua Husa. Yeah. Barcelona and could tell Nimua Husa. Me can be Biatro. So you're not correct any party, semi obribuanya. So you're not correct any party. Liverpool, train away Nimuno. Ubenya bi wo wiase party mbia. Ubenya bia. Ubenya no Real Madrid. Apart from that, no, wonya baby a can't think because has a quite friend fearsome 5 for where they can fearsome 3. So that is honesty. So when the fortunes of your political party say a movement to knock out around MPP for say in MPP for say but could be or city FM and or TV3 and or MPP mu and send out over MPP mu dabe. Yeah, about 1992 bet MPP kwana me a lawyer ni. Practicing lawyer,
1992 yet MPP. What is a mekasa? What is a mekasa? No, they in America, I joined the MPP. Please stop that. Mama, you some credit.
One stop for that. We are lawyer near the ABCD.
What can you do for change for yourself? But my some credit.
CJ. Me name some friend of former. Say, Mampini so inedi. One thing wants you. Also, as I buy.
Oh, yeah, sir, no.
A Supreme Court as a Supreme Court judge.
The law is that a commission of inquiry or a committee of inquiry. Oh, senior say, oh, nya juma non traha. Oh, nya maha.
Oh, boundaries.
So, what Asiedu boundary no? And now boundary no, and one fa. There's a breach of natural justice. I can go to court to have it quashed.
Yatoshie amount. On trashie no.
On trashie. So pretty within shienum dia. And the no. Who pretty within shienum. Na me feel so who pretty within shienum no. Assembly o kaina nya. Me remedy be appeal. But who pretty trashie no. Me remedy judicial review. Make a benny pabebre.
Adumunya na kakra.
Vet. Otim kokot.
Otimi komani.
Oh yeah. Otim kokot. And without prejudice. Make as I say, Nasama, you see, and now with that be, yeah, respect institutions in England. Yeah, let's respect the president. Let's respect the former chief justice. Let's respect the court process. Let's respect the attorney. Yeah, respect it, but Mremu Otimko.
Na ebinum say ewom se mremu otimi kode na so ne mampani ane chese na pamfo ye kire ni kuradi adanse se adent no ntwa so kura
no otwa so a enye yi ebe ya disuande amen dache yeah do bia utati se on se salaki so onte da what is salaki si ho asema that was 1970 for me you omadi 1969. In 1970, Salakoe, I say Salakis. Riakutu, Bafuakutu. They went to court after the passage of PDA in 1958. So please, court. Let's respect that. Now I say because there was a Makana or Hada that said, Memetia, we charges now on the board on any manner. No. Say the be
na ne wo maami ayi ma mota kan presidents as a such presidents bi na afenso no say maami ye call a challenge petition ni ade no dabi bia no maami betimi asa akokọ to say ne wo mu ye no one tiase amebi betimi reverse bibi
say all court. But you see that action by President Mahama, I say is a very dangerous president.
The
removal of the Chief Justice.
Chief Justice.
Yeah.
Adoye boni ayenka.
No, but I'm going to say kwadu no munye du.
Ese munye du. Kwadu ni mu ye hata.
Hete.
Ebinum kura se ase. Okay.
Charlotte said, "Dear, I'm okay." I mean, head no yeah. Even if a crown a complain against Charlotte, say, "Oh no, naive for
one casampu,
sir,
no manful.
No man for no petition, no more fraud dancer for." So there's a distinction. That politics of equalization, and that politics of equalization, and but say Tony Edu na say or Sere Nyankopon say and this beko primaries no ntiase
no ko ade die no usuro
well me so me bo mpa ye say Dr. Baumia baba president no ansa na me so nyame wa ma me akọ me senior
baba be die awie
me senior Tony Edu say I'm quoting from a senior Tony Edu. So pese na ni behu na so bete se NDC wo moko primaries. And on your car no kwanka they should settle on one person. So senior what come at so permit me to borrow your words. Me so near me penny say Mamudu Baumia obedia president
edi twam wie kwa
so de odi twam
kwa
now I fought a good battle
and
I ran a good race
odi wie twam kwa unyankoi.
So you see President Mahama is very dangerous, you know. Sometimes President Mahama I keep on saying say men tie amanfo na atwa ho kankono. When your opportunity to build a legacy, why never a president and no beko, no besenaba? It's not common.
Well, just say, say all the ranks in politics.
Sierra Leone, Benya Siaka Stevens. Is it Sierra Leone? Then in Nigeria, Ubenya Buhari. Yeah, Buhari numkoye no sambaye. Then Olusegun so
Basanjo.
Yeah, also quiet. Now you went him so was Asiedu Nketia. Utiaje ya omero shafo.
Chief of Staff also na say.
Chief of Staff also na say. So that is how the drama no ebeye. And well, I wish Asiedu Nketia, I wish him well. I wish
Julius Debra.
I wish them
Chief of Staff.
Well. I wish all of them well. We say me a very disciplined politician. I'm very honest and straightforward. So I wish all of them well. But now if you look at the calculation, you bet me Haruna Idrisu. Obenya Huadana Pa.
Haruna Idrisu.
Yeah.
I'm the number running meet.
And I'm saying, Wamumi and Nunu, between Asiedu Nketia and Julius Debra. You bet me Haruna Idrisu as the running meeting. A bit boost to Wahuadane.
Media dia no matrofo bi bohwere maguma so mu kire se omienu di obenya bia be fa no as running mate.
Well, I don't know, but I'm just making I say me a political prophet. So you have that situation. Then you have the initial tribes and also balance it. What you see. So it is not going to be a simple competition. Somebody will say, it's you fiasem. Can you but you know, Obio name in life, they are very principled. So Fabian mechano as it is. So I say, I wish all of them well. Wow. But I think say Nemesre send your mechano MPP for Muno, I've been in mechano NDC. Moon to Tomo home Muni diate. MPP no okachiro ma obon bi say 10 cents of Baumia, 10 cents of Canada Japan, 10 cents of Bray Champo, 10 cents of it doesn't make any sense. It does not. Nyansa bieni. Why? Because munipa na mo be kon ba kumu na be ba bedi anim. And of course I know so Dr. Baumia na belidi. But nyansa obeka say Bray Champo 10 cents Canada, Japan. It doesn't make sense at all. It doesn't.
Now, we
send this, you know, so make a chance. And yeah, so was here doing Nketia. Don't come out to say,
Julius Debra.
Julius Debra. Now, Julius Debra, please, it doesn't make sense. Let's show our maturity. Mumenya say, Yadwin mudo, Yanini, Yaniefi, Yam paying for, ye did ya yes, Sam Quani, yes, Sam Quanswa, yes, Sam Kama. That is what we should do. It is politics.
Movement for change for the petition be a comma OSP. Dr. Baumia. Now, Ebinum say, I say, Uncle Phobi Shechri.
Look, let's concentrate more. Okay, it is better we discuss the NPP and NDC and stop wasting our time on movement for change. It is better for us to use our precious hours to be discussing MPP and NDC, and we stop wasting our time on movement for change.
Hey, a movement too.
It's not a political party. It's not a political party. And you know, the votes are Chadakuranya. Because I Chadakuranya, because I know the unknown figure in politics. Chadakura votes to Chanakajo Lanchramate. But which serious political commentator be at the same say, now coming, there's a coming best 20 or 25 minutes. Now me Bible concentrating on movement for change. Go on social media. And your mobile siana, bedia con, Benyamana Kovia, Solomon should anytime be able to what transibia. Just monitor him. That be our can't be been here before. A bin so cry, a bin